The Taramps HD3000 amplifier is renowned for its powerful 3000 watts RMS output, making it an excellent choice for those seeking robust sound performance in their car audio systems. This monoblock amplifier is versatile, supporting 1, 2, or 4 ohms, and can be wired with a wide range of speakers, including subwoofers, mid-range, and tweeters. It features an impressive frequency response from 10 Hz to 20 Kilohertz, ensuring a rich and full audio experience across various sound ranges. The Taramps HD3000 is equipped with convenient features such as crossovers and input settings, allowing for optimal customization and sound quality. With a sleek design and an easy-to-read LED monitor indicator, this amplifier not only performs well, but also adds a modern touch to your vehicle's interior. Designed for durability, the amplifier includes high-quality power cables and a robust circuit breaker, ensuring reliable performance and safety.